Grab your winter coats and experience fiery student life at this fabulous property in Toronto of the Queen City. Uncover the charm and allure of the T-Dot in this virtual journey. Harrington Housing Waterfront offers a range of furnished en-suites and non-en-suites, with each private room featuring a full bed with linens, a bookshelf, a study desk and chair, a smart TV, and a lamp. Enjoy common amenities like an infinity pool, a fully equipped gym, a rooftop, and chic lounge areas. Stay connected with Wi-Fi and enjoy included bills. The chic co-working space ensures productivity, and a washer-dryer makes laundry a breeze. Rest easy with a doorman, 24/7 concierge, and on-site security in this gated community. You're set just a short 11-minute drive from Ryerson University and a little more from the University of Toronto and Toronto School of Management. Take a quick walk to the harbor front to forget your worries and check out galleries and cafes at the Distillery Historic District. Eat out at Horseshoe Tavern and the Pilot, and shop in the Yorkville neighborhood and Eaton Center. Catch the Caribbean Fair in summer and the Toronto International Festival of Authors, a long-running lit fest. You'll the mark on a student journey like never before from here. Visit ambertstudent.com for more details and secure your spot in the Big Smoke.